Hey and hello! Welcome in my new video. Today I prepared a very special topic about making bust size adjustment. If you have large bust, a full bust adjustment will help you to achieve more room in the bust without compromising shoulder fit and, in case of sleeveless garment, arms or opening coverage. It's hot topic. I heard many times that even very hard. But I love to explain difficult things in an easy way. So don't be afraid, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and let's solve this enigma. And voila! Finished pattern. As you can see on my mannequin, it fits perfectly. I hope that making bust adjustment is no problem for you anymore. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and most importantly, have fun!